Welcome to Maker Faire. We are here at the Mini Maker Faire in Seattle at the EMP Museum downtown, right next to the Space Needle. And we have a little Cypress booth here that shows some of the tools, some of the demos, some of the technologies that our maker friends can actually use to do some of the awesome demos that we have here at the show. We have a table that has everything from liquid level sensing, inductive and capacitive sensors, a bunch of PSoC, flying things, rolling things. So let's take a little walk and I'll show you what we have here. The first one that we have here at the station is our liquid level sensing kit. This is a shield that we use in our PSoC 4 Pioneer boards that basically helps us through some capacitive sensors attached to the bottle to detect the level of the liquid. So right now we have about 40% of the liquid set. If I actually cheat a little bit and tilt it, we can see the liquid level percentage increase. So this is a great, quick addition and quick solution to get started with contactless type of liquid level solution. The second one we have here at the station is our PSoC analog coprocessor board. This is an awesome little kit that has not only the analog coprocessor, which is basically a PSoC 4, but the really exciting thing about it is it has all kinds of analog front-end parts, which enables us to take the readings from all different kinds of analog sensors and do the processing for you. That's why we call it an analog coprocessor. In this case, this is our Pioneer Arduino compatible board, and basically we're featuring a bunch of sensors with it. We have a motion detector, we have a thermistor, which helps us with ambient temperature, we have a humidity sensor over here, and we also have an inductive sensor right here. Now, if I go to the user interface, you can actually see some of the readings that are being taken live. We have the temperature as well. And we have a little bit of the analog front end that we're using. Now, we've talked plenty in our videos about capsens and how capacitive sensing can help. In this case, this is a completely different type of sensing capability. This is inductive, which means if I place my finger on top of it, I won't necessarily get it triggered. Let me go back to the main screen. I won't necessarily get it triggered, but if I use any kind of metal, then I can trigger it. And there it is. So this helps great for all different kind of applications, not necessarily the capacitive type where you want something conductive or something that has a capacitive field being detected. This also helps, let's say that you want to do sensors for motor control applications, you want to detect cars, you want to detect the presence of any other kind of metal. That's what this type of sensor works. And this is something that new. Not only this, but you can also do all the processing and all the analog processing inside the PSoC and then create that into a digital component. All right, the final one that we have on this table is our Cypress quadcopter. This is a cool little project that we did internally. This is basically a PSoC 5, a 5LP. It has the Bluetooth, the ECBLE PSoC module right here that we can see there. We have a serial FRAM, a serial NOR flash, and we have a buck DC-DC converter, an MB39X. So all of this basically creates a little micro drone, great for indoor, great for fun. It's a single contained board that does all the motor control, all the Bluetooth communication, and basically all you need to get started with a cool little do-it-yourself project. All right, so we're gonna be showing some of the other demos, but right now we're getting ready to get started, so we'll be back. Thanks.